distinguished industry leaders, esteemed partners, and representatives from the various industrial sectors in Nigeria. It is my honor to welcome you to the African Technology and Innovation Institute's ISO Excellence for Industries training event today. Today, we gather as a community of leaders committed to strengthening Nigeria's industrial capacity, elevating global competitiveness, and building a future where excellence is the standard across every sector. I extend my sincere appreciation to APWEN and her president, Engineer Chinyere Nena Igwegwe, for championing the participation of women engineers in various industrial sectors in Nigeria. Your advocacy and that of APWEN ensures that women are not only present, but empowered to lead in quality management systems, safety, and operational transformations. One of the core goals of this event today is precisely that, because ATII is committed to equipping women in industries with tools, standards, and confidence to shape the next era of industrial leadership. I say a very big welcome to APWEN members here present and to all the women here present. I also express deep gratitude to the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, MAN, for its unwavering support to manufacturers nationwide. MAN continues to be a pillar of strength, advocacy, and progress for Nigeria's industrial ecosystem. Ladies and gentlemen, today's training is an invitation to deepen your engagement with ISO 9001 and ISO 45001. These standards are not merely certifications. They are strategic assets that enhance credibility, reduce operational risks, and improve efficiency that unlock access to global markets. I encourage you to participate actively today and explore how these standards can transform your organizations. Did you know that organizations that adopt and certify to ISO standards consistently outperform their peers in revenue, safety, and operational efficiency? I think you do, because that is why you've taken out time to invest in this training. I would like to emphasize the importance of ISO standards with some data. When we look at data on revenue growth and market advantage, we see that ISO 9001 certified companies experience an average of 8 to 12% increase in revenue within 2 to 3 years. They are 40% likely to secure international partnerships due to enhanced credibility. Manufacturers with ISO 9001 reduce production costs by up to 15% through lower defects and streamlined processes. Looking at safety improvement and risk reduction data, the data shows that ISO 45001 implementation leads to 20 to 30% reduction in workplace incidences within the first year. Organizations also reduce downtime and insurance costs by 10 to 25% with stronger safety systems. ISO-aligned workplaces report higher morale and retention, especially in high-risk sectors. Looking at efficiency, productivity, and operational excellence data, the data shows us that ISO certified companies achieve up to 50% faster process cycle times due to standardized workflows. When we look at non-conformities in these companies, we see that non-conformities drop by 30 to 60%, improving product consistency and customer satisfaction. The supply chain reliability for these companies improved by 20 to 40%, thus strengthening delivery performance. These companies tend to have global competitiveness. With over 1.3 million organizations worldwide being ISO 9000 certified, ISO 9001 and ISO standards generally are increasingly becoming a requirement for partnerships and global supply chains and multinational firms. I hope that today you are committed to ISO standardizations at your organizations to give you the global competitive edge. At ATII, we are committed to supporting you towards these certifications. We are committed to building the systems, skills, and ecosystem that power Africa's industrial transformation. Our work at ATII spans across capacity building, workforce development, technology research, development, deployment, and verification, standards, regulation, compliance, and policy frameworks, and also technology and innovation consultancy. So please, while you're here today, reach out to our team members and please connect with them to explore how ATII can support your organization's growth, compliance, and digital transformation journey. As we stand at the dawn of Industry 4.0, 5.0, and artificial intelligence, I leave you with this thought. The future belongs to industries that build capacity, embrace standards, and harness intelligent and smart technologies to create value at scale. This is the future ATII is building, one where Nigeria and Africa lead with excellence, innovation, and global impact. I invite you to continue your journey of capacity building, standard certification, technology evolution, and digital transformation with us here at ATII. Together, we can shape industries that are safer, smarter, globally competitive, and future-proof. Thank you, and I wish you a very productive and empowering training experience. Thank you for being here and have a wonderful day.